In this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and apply an Airbnb coupon. It's really easy and simple. Once you're logged into Airbnb, come here at the top right. I want you to go ahead and click on your profile icon. You'll see a bunch of different options. I want you to scroll down and click on this option right here that says account. Okay, go ahead and click on this. And now you'll see a bunch of different options. What we are interested in is payments and payouts. As you can see, this is where we can go ahead and redeem our coupons. So I'll click on this, and then we are in the payment section. So scroll down, keep scrolling down, and you'll see the coupons section. All you need to do is click on add coupon, and then you'll be able to enter your coupon code and make sure that it is case sensitive, right? Capital letters should be capital letters, small letters should be small letters. Put in the numbers and then click on redeem coupon, and then the coupon will be applied. Really that easy and simple.